Hello students, welcome to my channel Hans Commerce Tutorial for the lectures on commerce, accounts, finance and management. My suggestion to you, before watching the video, please go to the description below my video. You'll find a link there. Take a printout of the problems given in the link and keep it ready before watching the video so that you can be able to understand the problem, the solution and the explanation to get the maximum benefit from the lectures. Thank you. So hello students, welcome back. So we have discussed the 8th problem. Again we'll repeat. Ram and Shyam are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Gopal was admitted 1/5 share in the profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So here the old ratio of Ram and Shyam are 3:2. The new partner Gopal's share is 1/5. So remaining share we calculate. This is the new point compared to the previous problem. So 1 minus 1 by 5, you will get 4 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 5, 4 by 5. So new ratio. This 4 by 5 will be shared by old partners in old ratio. The old ratio was 3:2. 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So remaining share 4 by 5. This should be multiplied by 3 by 5. Old ratio. So 4 3s are 12. 12 by 25. Similarly, Shyam, the remaining share is 4/5. So 4/5 into 2 by 5. So 8 by 25. The new ratio of all the partners, Ram, Shyam and Gopal. So 12 by 25, 8 by 25 and here it is 1 by 5. Gopal's share is given 1 by 5. So what do you observe here? The denominator 25, here denominator 25, but here denominator is only 5. So we want to convert it into 25. All the denominator must be same, then only we can easily find the ratio, right? Here 5 is there. To make it 25, you have to multiply. But we can't multiply only denominator. We have to multiply numerator and denominator. So numerator and denominator is multiplied by 5. So instead of 5, 1 by 5, we can write 5 by 25. Now we can see all the denominators are same. So ratio will be 12:8:5. तो रेशो कैलकुलेट करने के लिए पूरों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहना. अब यहाँ पर 5 सेम नहीं है, 25 नहीं है, यहाँ पर 5 है. तो 5 को 25 बनाने के लिए we have to multiply with 5. तो न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5. तो 5 by 25. दिस इज द न्यू रेशो. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम नंबर 9. Rajagopalan and Vishwanathan sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. Old partners are Rajagopalan and Vishwanathan. 5:3. Admit Gururaj on 3/7 share in the new firm, which it takes 2/7 from Rajagopalan and 1/7 from Vishwanathan. This problem is exactly similar to the 7th problem. Just now we have done 7th problem, exactly same. New partner Gururaj, his share is 3/7. For this 3/7, he is taking 2/7 from Rajagopalan and 1/7 from Vishwanathan. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of partners. So we can write old ratio. 9th problem. Old ratio of Rajagopalan and Vishwanathan is equal to 5:3. New partner Gururaj. Gururaj's share is equal to 3/7, which he takes 2/7 from Rajagopalan and 1/7 from Vishwanathan. New ratio. The procedure is exactly same what we have done in 7th problem. New ratio. First partner is Rajagopalan. What was the old ratio of Rajagopalan? 5/8. Minus. How much share Rajagopalan is giving to Gururaj? 2/7. The new partner Gururaj is taking 2/7 from Rajagopalan. So Rajagopalan's share will decrease by 2/7. So minus 2 by 7. So 5 by 8 minus 2 by 7. LCM if we take 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. Now 8 how many times cuts 56? 7 times. 8 will cut 7 times 56. So 7 into 5 is 35. Minus 7 will cut 56 8 times. 7 will cut 56 8 times. So 8 twos are 16. So 35 minus 16, you will get 19 by 56. 35 minus 16, you will get 19. So 19 by 56 is the new ratio of Rajagopalam. Now Vishwanathan. The old ratio of Vishwanathan was 3 by 8 minus. How much share Vishwanathan is given? 1/7. 8 sevens are 56. Now 8 how many times cuts 56? 7 times. 7 threes are 21. 7 how many times cuts 56? 8 times. 8 ones are 8. So 21 minus 8, you will get 13. That's all. We got the old ratio of Rajagopal and Vishwan. New ratio of all partners. New ratio of all partners. Rajagopalan's new share 19 by 56. New ratio of Vishwanathan 13 by 56. New ratio of Gururaj. The new partner Gururaj is getting the share of 3 by 7. Now see here, ये दोनों पार्टनर का डिनोमिनेटर 56 है, लेकिन ये पार्टनर का डिनोमिनेटर 7 है. हमको 7 नहीं चाहिए, पूरे 56 चाहिए. तो 7 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 56 बनेगा 8. If we multiply 7 with 8, you will get 56. So we multiply the numerator and denominator by 8. So 19 by 56 is to 13 by 56 is to 8 3s are 24 by 56. So new ratio will be 19 is to 13 is to 24. That's it. (19, 13, 24). This is the new profit sharing ratio. Copy it down fast. Now, 10th problem. Sohan and Rajan share profits in the ratio of 3:2. Two partners are there, Sohan, Rajan. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. They admit Mohan as a partner. New partner is Mohan. Their new profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. Calculate the sacrificing ratio. The formula for sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. So old ratio, this is problem number 10. Old ratio of Sohan and Rajan is equal to 3:2. New ratio of Sohan, Rajan and Mohan is equal to 5:3:2. This is the information given, old ratio and new ratio. Now we are required to calculate sacrificing ratio. The formula for sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. The first partner is Sohan. Sohan ka sacrificing ratio. So what is the old ratio of Sohan? 3 plus 2 is 5 minus new ratio of Sohan is 5 by 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10. Or the LCM we can take 10 because 10 is divisible for both. 10 is divisible for both these numbers. That's why I have taken 10. 5 how many times cuts 10? 2 times. 2 3s are 6. 10 how many times cuts 10? 1 time. 1 5s are 5. 1 by 10. Similarly, next is Rajan. sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio 2 by 5 minus new ratio is 3 by 10. LCM, if we take 10, 5 how many times cuts 10? 2 times. 2 2s are 4. 10 how many times cuts 10? 1 time. 1 3 is a 3. Both the denominators are same, 10 10. So the sacrificing ratio is 1:1. That's it. Problem number 11. See the 11th problem. A and B are partners in the firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2 with capitals of 12,000 and 5,400 respectively. They admitted X as a new partner, as a partner with 7,500 for 1/3 share in the profits of the firm. The new partner X, he is bringing 7,500 rupees and he is getting 1/3 share in the profits. Adjust the capital of the partners according to the profit sharing ratio and show the amount of capital of each partner. No entries are required. This is a problem in which the old partner's capital accounts should be adjusted according to the new profit sharing ratio. How much capital should be of the old partners A and B? Right? We don't require any entries. It is given in the problem. No entries are required. Simply you have to find out how much would be the new capital of the old partners according to the new profit sharing ratio. Problem number 11. Problem number 11. Old ratio of A and B. What is the old ratio of A and B given? 3:2. New partner X's share is equal to, new partner X share is 1/3. So remaining share 1 minus 1/3 is equal to 2/3. नया पार्टनर, न्यू पार्टनर X, ही is taking away 1/3 शेयर. तो पूरे प्रॉफिट में से 1/3 अगर चला गया, X ले लिया, तो बचेगा 2/3. अब वो 2/3 मिलकर बांट लेंगे. कौन बांटना पड़ेगा? A and B. The old partners will share the remaining share. So new share of A is equal to, what is the remaining share? 2/3. What is the old ratio? 3/5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. So new ratio is 6/15. A's new share. New share of B. The remaining share is 2/3 into, what is the old ratio of B? 2/5. So 2 2s are 4. 4/15. New ratio of all partners. So A partner is 6/15 is to 4/15 is to, what is the share of the X? 1/3. X का शेयर 1/3 है, but we require 15. तो 3 को 15 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए we multiply by 5. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 6/15 is to 4/15 is to 5/15. 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. So new ratio will be 6:4 is to 5. 6:4 is to 5. This is the new ratio. Now old partners A and B's capital should be adjusted according to new profit sharing ratio. For 1/3 share, X capital is 7,500. For 1/3 share, new share is 1/3. X's capital is 7,500. He is bringing in 7,500 rupees, right? Therefore, total capital of the firm is equal to 3 into 7,500. 22,500. तो टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ द फर्म. अब 22,500 का 1/3 कैलकुलेट करिए, आपको 7,500 आएगा. if you want the proof, total capital of the firm 22,500, इसका 1/3 कैलकुलेट करिए, definitely you will get 7,500. So by using the 7,500 for 1/3, we have calculated the total capital of the firm. The total capital of the firm is 22,500. अब ये 22,500, how much should be the capital of A? Total capital 22,500 into what is the profit sharing ratio of A? 6/15. 6/15. 6/15. Capital of B into 4/15. Capital of C into 5/15. So 22,500 into 6/15, 9,000. Then here it is 6,000. Here it is 7,500. This is the adjustment of capital according to new profit sharing ratio. At present, what is the capital of A given in the problem? At present, the capital of A is 12,000, but he needs a capital of 9,000. Present capital of A is equal to 12,000. Therefore, firm should return ₹3,000 to A. क्योंकि रहना चाहिए 9,000, लेकिन है उसके अकाउंट में 12,000, तो the firm should return back 3,000 rupees to the partner A. Present capital of B is equal to 5,400. 5,400, it is given in the first line of the problem. The present capital 5,400, but he needs how much capital? 6,000. Therefore, Mr. B should bring further capital of ₹600. और 600 रुपए लेकर आना उन्हें. कौन लेकर आना? बी पार्टनर. यानी ए के पास एक्सेस पैसे है 3,000 रुपए, तो फर्म 3,000 रुपीज रिटर्न कर देना ए को, और बी को कहना है और 600 रुपीज लेकर आओ, क्योंकि तुम्हारे कैपिटल में 6,000 रहना चाहिए, लेकिन है ओनली 5,400, तो 600 रुपीज शुड बी कॉल्ड फ्रॉम पार्टनर बी and 3,000 rupees should be returned to partner A. This is the adjustment. Now we'll move on to the next problem, 12th one. A, B and C were carrying on business in partnership, sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. They admit D in partnership, giving him 1/5 share in future profits. He brings 20,000 as his share of goodwill and capital to the extent of 50,000. The old partners withdraw goodwill from the business, pass journal entries. So in this problem we have to pass the journal entries. D is a new partner. He brings 70,000 rupees as goodwill, right? So we have to pass the journal entries. 12th problem, journal entries. First, see, D is a new partner. He is bringing 20,000 as his goodwill and 50,000 as his capital. So total cash brought by Mr. D is 70,000. So we'll pass the entry. Bank account data to D's capital account. Being the cash brought by D, rupees 20,000 for goodwill and rupees 50,000 is his capital. So 70,000 में 20,000 रुपीज गुडविल के लेकर आ रहा है और 50,000 रुपीज उसका कैपिटल है. तो बैंक अकाउंट डेटा टू डीज कैपिटल. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एंट्री. नाउ 20,000 rupees goodwill will be shared by the old partners in the old profit sharing ratio. So 20,000 rupees will be debited. D's capital account data 20,000 to A's capital account to B's capital account to C's capital account. Being the goodwill shared by old partners in old ratio. What is the old ratio given in the problem? 12th problem 532. 5:3:2. This is the old profit sharing ratio. So 5:3:2 means each partner will get how much? 10, 6, 4. 10,000, 6,000, 4,000. How do you get this one? 20,000 into 5 by 10. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So 5 by 10. 20,000 into 5 by 10, you'll get 10,000. 20,000 into 3 by 10, 6,000. 20,000 into 2 by 10, 4,000. Being the goodwill shared by old partners. Now it is given in the problem, the partners are withdrawing goodwill from the business. ये पैसे जो गुडविल के आए हैं, ये गुडविल के पैसे ओल्ड पार्टनर्स निकाल ले रहे हैं, विड्रॉ कर ले रहे हैं. तो एंट्री विल बी A's capital account debtor, B's capital account debtor, C's capital account debtor to bank. To bank. So bank account 20,000. The goodwill amount they are withdrawing. When money is going out, bank account is created and partner's capital account will be debited 10,000, 6,000, 4,000. Being the goodwill amount withdrawn by old partners. Goodwill amount withdrawn by old partners. That's all. These are the journal entries. Take a pause and then copy down. Now, 13th problem. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. Two partners. They admit C giving him 1/4 share in future profits. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 20,000. It is agreed that goodwill is raised in the books and written off after C's admission. Pass journal entries to record the same. Here goodwill is raised. Goodwill is raised का मतलब the new partner is not bringing goodwill, but simply goodwill is raised and then written off by all the partners. By all the partners. So problem number 13. First entry. For raising goodwill, So according to AS 26, goodwill should not be raised. Goodwill will be calculated and recorded only if it involves cash. So, but when goodwill is to be raised, we will adjust the goodwill amount in the books, in the accounts of the partner's capital. The partner's capital accounts will be adjusted for the purpose of goodwill, right? So here the goodwill of the firm is valued 20,000. It is agreed that goodwill is raised in the books and written off after the admission of C. So first of all, we have to raise the goodwill and then write off the goodwill according to the new profit sharing ratio. According to the new profit sharing ratio. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 20,000. In which ratio we have to distribute? In the ratio of 5:3. Being the goodwill raised and shared by partners in old ratio, that is 5:3. 5 by 8, 3 by 8, it comes to 12,500, 7,500. This is the goodwill raised. Now goodwill has to be written off. After admission of C, they decided that goodwill should be written off from the books. The goodwill account should be created. Now all the partners will be debited. A's capital account debtor, B's capital account debtor, C's capital account debtor to goodwill account. When we raise the goodwill, it is debited. When we write off the goodwill, goodwill account is created, being the goodwill written off in the new profit sharing ratio. That is, we don't have the new profit sharing ratio. We have to calculate the new ratio in working notes. Old ratio of A and B. What is the old ratio of A and B? 5:3. New partner C's share. New partner C's share. How much is the share of the new partner? 1/4.